You gonna let me fuck though? You gotta let me get in it, you feel me?
I mean, I'm two body strong. I mean, you can be the third, I guess.
Squat.
Supreme Squad, it's your boy AJ, and I'm back with another lit video. You can call it a banger if you want to, you feel me? And today we basically gonna be playing monkey and asking random girls to smash or pass. Very simple. And I guarantee you it's gonna be that one girl that makes it extremely complicated, harder than it seems. But before we even get into this video, I got a challenge for y'all. Whoever could like the video with their nose, basically you a goat. Basically, you was a goat, okay? You don't get nothing, you just a goat. So try it and let me know if y'all can do it, because I can't do it for some reason. I don't know. Maybe my nose is too big, maybe it's too little, maybe it just won't work. I don't know. But let's get into this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new, and click the bell to get notified when I drop bangers like this. Let's go, man. We about to get straight into it. Go ahead and do this. This. Alright, bet. Let's go. What the fuck? Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. It's gonna be a minute. Oh, shit. Dude. What is up? I got my settings changed. I know what to do, man. Let's put this shit on general. Damn, she got a booty pic on her profile picture. What? We gonna catch us a fish. Alright. What up? Ooh. Hey, ask some time.
Alright,
I got a question for you.
okay.
Would you smash or pass me?
Smash.
What? Hey, add me as a friend. I'm about to add you on Snapchat. You cute.
Alright.
Alright, bet. Alright, yeah. She was a bad bitch. I couldn't resist, y'all. I'm sorry. I had to add her on Snapchat. I'm sorry. I can't resist something like that. Oh, God. What is going on? There we go. What up? Ask some time. I got a question. Alright, would you smash or pass me? Smashed. So I like to hear, even though I can't see you. I smash you too. You feel me? But alright then, thank you. Oh shit, it ain't even got no zipper, you feel me? I was feeling like Chris Brown. I was about to take my clothes off. Let's go. I'm 2 for 2. 2 for 2. What up? What she say? They just dogged me. I won't join them no more. I won't join the 2 little way no more. I can't do it. See what it gets you to. What up? Hey.
Well, you cute. You look like you got money.
Add some time.
That's all time, you dummy. Can you read? I don't want to have time.
Alright.
Nice.
Alright, look, I need you to answer this question, okay?
Yup.
Who is you with?
I'm with my little bros.
Okay, alright, answer this question. Would you smash or pass me?
Smash for show.
Add me as a friend.
Let me see that chain. You fake. That shit fake.
Hell no. Certified.
That shit fake.
What you talking about? No, don't add me on Snapchat now. Don't add me on Snapchat now.
What you said?
Shut your ugly ass up, bitch. Dang, y'all, my phone on 10%. I might have to go get the charger. What up?
What's up?
Add some time. Alright, I need you to do me a favor and answer this question. Would you smash or pass me?
I don't know you like that.
I mean, it's just a question. It ain't nothing personal, you feel me?
Smash.
Bad. Alright, then that's all I wanted. I ain't wanna look, I did not want to say nothing else to her. Or else I would've. Because when a girl say smash, feel me? That's like music to my ears, you feel me? I'm about to go grab my charger real quick. I'll be right back. Look, 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Fuck, I'm gonna plug it up. Alright, we need to hurry up, yeah, cause I ain't got nowhere to plug it up. Skip. Nigga, skip. Oh, what up, y'all?
I don't look Mexican.
You sound like Mexican.
Oh, hello.
What up?
No, people keep saying I look Mexican. You don't look Mexican.
Hey, I need y'all to do me a favor. Would y'all smash or pass me?
Oh, smash.
You said smash?
Smash all the motherfuckers. The fuck?
Hey, what? I'll tell y'all this up. Too bad y'all can't have me as a friend though, you feel me?
Fuck I won't, bitch. But if I got me back.
Alright, bet I'll add you.
You gonna do it? Cause I got my ear.
I got you. Hold up, I got you. Don't forget, add me on Snapchat too.
Too bad I can't let. That's what I thought.
Ski. Ooh. Dang, our phone is at 4%. That's crazy. If it die, it die. I'm just gonna have to restart the video. What up? Yo. Add some time. Okay. What up? Hey, add some time. I need to ask you a question. Would you smash or pass me? Smash. Let me see what you look like. Oh, she must be an ugly bitch. She must be an ugly bitch. She did not want me to see what she look like. It's only one reason why. It's an ugly bitch. Ooh. What up? Ooh. I'm feeling the scarf. Add some time though.
You said what?
Add some time. Yeah, I fucks with that scarf. Hey, but would you smash or pass me?
You?
Yeah.
Well, shit, I don't know, cause I don't know like what you wearing.
Shit,
I don't know what
wearing, you feel me? I got the Gucci. I got the Gucci, you feel me? What you mean? I got everything, honestly. I go pull out a bankroll.
The shoes you be wearing.
I mean, if I would go get my shoes, but I honestly don't feel like getting up. But if I'm wearing Gucci and stuff, you should already know.
How old are you?
16.
Pass.
For what?
Cause you're not old enough. You're not.
But we ain't physically fucking.
You said what?
We not physically fucking. It's look. It's just.
It's just a fact. It's just a fact. It's just.
How old is you?
How old am I?
Yeah. Oh shit, that's some time. Oh shit's too late. Fuck. Phone at 1%. We're gonna do one more. What up? Add some time. Hey, add some time. Bitch. You know what? Okay. I'm trying to get one more in for y'all because my phone is at 1%. Come on, come on, come on. Come on! It's gonna die. It's gonna die. Oh my God. Are you serious? Wow. I just need one more. Just one. It's nothing but dudes. It's gonna die. I already know it is. Wow. Wow. I'm about to throw my phone. I'm about this close. Monkey setting me up right now. They setting me up to be gay. And I'm not gay. What is going on? Oh my God, just give me one girl. Thank you. Oh my God. Yo, this is crazy. The one girl that I get, she skipped me. Dang, man. I just need one more for my phone to die. Why is it all dudes? Like it just a minute ago, it was not all dudes. You know what? This shit about to make me mad. Just give me one girl that answer. One girl. One girl. And I'm done. I think it's because my phone at 1%, honestly. This is why I hate iPhones. What up?
What's up?
Add some time. Hey, I got a question.
What?
Would you smash or pass me?
Smash or pass you?
Yeah.
I'll smash you.
Let me see your face. I just want to see what you look like. It ain't nothing personal. You said what? Yeah, I guess. And then, and you got a job? And you got a job? And you got your nails done? I need me or you. I need me or you. Dang, so where you stay?
I stay in Milwaukee.
I stay in Milwaukee too. What's up?
What's up? Can
Shit, what's up? We can?
What part you from?
Add me as a friend. I'm gonna text you on Snapchat. My phone finna die.
Okay.
You gonna let me fuck though? You gotta let me get in it, you feel me?
I mean, I'm 2 body strong. I mean, you can be the third, I guess.
Shit, bad. Bad.
Okay, text me.
Shut your ass up, you ugly as hell, bitch. Anyway, y'all, man, that's it for the video, cause my phone actually just made me stop screen recording, so we finished just in time. So, if you like this video, if you enjoy watching, which I know some of y'all probably didn't because of all the little delays. All the delays that I had. You out of luck. But anyway, man, make sure you subscribe and click the bell if you are new and if you are viewing this. You know what I'm saying? Because Supreme Squad, man, we gonna make it. You feel me? We gonna make it. So make sure you really click that bell though, because I am getting ready to post a banger either tomorrow or Friday. Stay tuned for that because it's getting ready to be hilarious. And yeah, man, honestly don't know what else to say. Thanks for watching, man. See y'all later.
You